Are you ready to unlock the secrets of the next crypto bull market? Many believe that this is the time to hold and not take profits. We should see Bitcoin's rise really soon. But what does that mean for us? Give me actionable information now that I can do something with, not somebody's pipe dream. Well, hey, where are all my miners? Guys, do you have your mining rigs on? Yes, I'm talking about those GPUs. All right, guys, well, here it is. You want actionable information? This is what I'm currently doing since none of this is financial advice. For me, I got rid of all my lower quality GPUs and upgraded to 32 3070s. Now, I still have my 580s. I'm never going to sell those. At the next mining conference, heck, you may even see me with a 580 on a chain like Flavor Flav. Now, if you don't get that reference, you are not a boomer. All right, guys, here it is, actionable information. My top 3 tokens to mine. Number 1, AI Depin. Number 2, Firo. And number 3, surprise, surprise, Ravencoin. Now, overnight, Ravencoin jumped ahead, so I switched my rigs at around 2 a.m. before I headed off to bed. Now, I'm talking about just a few days ago from the recording of this video. I was making somewhere around $12 to $14 a day profit. Now, just 3 days later, $4.29. And that is me running Ravencoin. That, my friends, is a huge difference, causing me to double check every few hours to see if it's time to turn those babies off again. Now, I really don't like the heat Ravencoin produces when mining. Thank goodness there are server cases where I can increase the airflow and keep them cool so I can continue to mine. Now, I don't mind holding Ravencoin. I have switched some of it out for Bitcoin. When Bitcoin dropped, I just went ahead and moved. Well, actually, I moved quite a bit. I moved about 80% of my Ravencoin into Bitcoin when it was down at the high 70s to low 80s. It sounds dramatic, but the truth is these events always follow predictable signs. Right now, those signs are everywhere. They're subtle, and yes, they may seem boring, but ignoring them could mean you miss out on huge gains. Now, here are the top 3 reasons. Bitcoin's steady consolidation signals strength. Altcoins are quietly accumulating momentum, and market sentiment is shifting slowly but surely. I think as people realize that Bitcoin is here to stay and that there is the possibility that we will see Bitcoin being adopted here in the US at a much stronger pace than it is. So let me ask you, how many of you have felt overwhelmed by crypto's ups and downs? Now, it's natural, but here's the secret. Surviving the chop of uncertain markets is what separates the winners from the rest. You don't need to chase every trend or react to noise. Instead, focus on these proven strategies. DCA SMART. Dollar cost averaging helps you build positions without the stress. You buy at specific times, no matter what the price is, like weekly or biweekly or monthly or once a quarter. It's about averaging those prices rather than trying to figure out what the best time is to invest into the market. Now, number 2, stick to the signals. Focus on the data, not the hype. Watch historical charting from the professionals. Listen, study, don't get emotional. Number 3 is cut the noise. Tune out emotional headlines that say Bitcoin is going to reach an all-time high the end of this month. That's not going to happen. Stay grounded in your fundamentals. Now, seniors, time isn't just precious, it's your edge. The next big move in crypto, will feel sudden for some. But if you're patient and consistent and prepared, you'll be ready to seize the moment. Now, here's how you can stay ahead. Number one, set goals. Know what you're investing for or how you want to invest, like dollar cost averaging. Two, stay convicted. Believe in long-term value of Bitcoin and altcoins. And number three, monitor key indicators. These are your signals for action. Now, guys, crypto isn't just for the tech savvy and the Fortune 500. It is for anyone willing to embrace the change and adaptation, no matter what their age is. As seniors, you have the experience and the patience to outlast the noise and capitalize on the opportunities. So, what's next? Make sure to like and subscribe and comment below with any questions that you may have. Guys, let's build a community where seniors thrive in the crypto world. Go slow. It's not worth rushing trying to get into crypto. It's not going to go anywhere. In fact, it's being more adopted than ever before. And that, my friends, is good. Guys, remember, comment below. Let me know if you're GPU mining and what you're mining, what your profitability is. All right, guys, you should see a video here on the screen selected specifically for you. I think you may enjoy it and learn a thing or two. Take care, my friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.